Very good morning to all of you. Myself, Dr. G. Karupsamy, Sri Ishwar College of Engineering, Dean Research and Innovations. Welcome to the webinar series, You Can Do It, Are You Ready? It's a motivational webinar series. We have completed 3 webinars so far, and today we are with the 4th one. Fourth one, it's a very appropriate title for all of you. You can do social service. The title is every one of us, all those who are logged into this program are expected to do social service. Everyone should do social service. And we all know for the last 3 months, the entire country, the entire world is under lockdown condition. Many people are definitely in trouble. So social service. Definitely, this is a very important term and it is applicable to every one of us. We at Sri Ishwar College of Engineering, we have taken this function, social service function, very seriously. Right from inception of the college, Ishwar College of Engineering is involved in social service. We have done a lot of activities under this social service concept. In fact, we have a program called SESWA, Sri Ishwar Social Association is there, and we used to collect only from volunteers 1 rupee a day, collect the money and go and do some good work for the society. This we have been doing for the last 12 years. Continuously it is there. And in fact, 2 years before, we have taken a program called Unnat Bharat Abhiyan. This is a Government of India program. It is again a social service, and we have implemented this program very seriously in our college. Concept is very simple. You adopt 5 villages nearby. Close to our college, we have adopted 5 villages, and each village, myself and faculty members and students, we visit these villages, identify their needs, help them, especially school children. When we say social service, not necessarily donating money. You can even conduct some skill development program. You can do training program. You can do any kind of activity for the welfarement of the society. So under this concept, last year we were one of the best in India. In fact, under Unnat Bharat Abhiyan program, more than 2,000 colleges are enrolled in this program. And Government of India has given projects only for around 45 colleges to implement some projects in the villages. They have chosen colleges, and our college, I am proud, our college is one among 45. And we have done a floating solar pump for the benefit of the farmers in our villages. So with this background, today you are going to listen to 2 great experts. They are in fact youngsters, and Mr. Arun Balaji and Mr. Manikandan. They are going to talk to you on social service. And young people, Mr. Arun Balaji in a software company, working in a software company. And I am surprised, right after his graduation from college, he is into social service. He has his own organization, Nalvali Kati. And under this, they are doing a wonderful job. And to introduce them, I am going to invite Mr. Loga Pragas. He is an assistant professor in computer science and engineering of Sri Ishwar College of Engineering. In fact, he came to me, he told me, sir, you are going to do this program. I have 2 experts on this topic. I told him, let us welcome them. Let them share their experience of social service among all the webinar participants. In fact, webinar participants are from all over India, not only from Tamil Nadu, all over India, Maharashtra, Gujarat, Punjab, you name a state, we have participants in this program. So under this concept, we have invited these 2 gentlemen to talk to you on the social service. They are going to talk about social responsibility. Now let me welcome Mr. Loga Pragas to introduce the 2 guests to you, Mr. Arun Balaji and Mr. Manikandan. Mr. Loga Pragas, can you go ahead?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, start.
It's my immense pleasure to introduce and welcome Mr. Arun Balaji Selvaraj for this session on You Can Do Social Service, Social Responsibility. Mr. Arun Balaji is very well known for his technical potential. He is having around 12 years of experience in IT industry. He is currently associate with Dell EMC Corporation as subject matter expert on Unix security and Linux administration, handling security and risk management, having a social career growth in IT industries. So, but his burning desires are different. So he is always willing to give back to the society. So which grown him. So he founded the NGO named Nal Valikati at the year 2007. So which aims to educate tribal and underprivileged students across South India. Some of the activities of Nal Valikati NGO are Nal Valikati Learning Center, Malaival Makkal Welfare Program, Makkal Kanini. Makkal Kanini is part of the government laptop distribution and training program for government school students. So, Valikatadal program for 10th and 12th students, and various student workshops for their skill development. So he is not the only hero behind the NGO. There are around hundreds of volunteers across South India to support him. One among them was Mr. Manigandan. He is also available with us today. Completed his MECAC and MBA HR. He is working as training and placement officer in a reputed institution in Chennai, and also he is doing lot of social activities for past 6 years, and he is closely associated with Nal Valikati for last couple of years, and he was handling few free technical classes for village students. Without any further delay, now let me hand over the session to Mr. Arun Balaji. Sir, the portal is yours. Thank you.
Thank you, Logo Prakash.
Thank you, Mr. Logo Prakash. Good job. Good job.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Logo Prakash. So, without any delay, it's already 11:07. I'll start my session. Good morning, guys. Good morning, friends. As Logo said, I'm Arun Balaji. I founded NGO in 2017, 2007, as a Nalvali Ghati. So today, friends, we are going to see. It's a really excited to talk about this topic about social responsibility. When they told about the topic social responsibility, I was thinking, what? Why should we need to tell about social responsibility? It should come with everyone, right? The responsibility comes with everyone. Why we need to talk about? Then we realized that this is very important topic for our young minds of India. Since this COVID-19 situation, we are able to see how the people are helping, how they are come out from their house and they're helping for needy people. Likewise, in future also for students, it is very really needed. Why we need to do a social service, guys. By this note, I'll start my session. Already, Logo Prakash he told about Nalvali Ghati, so I don't want to touch in that. But anyway, I'll tell Nalvali Ghati is it is a Tamil word, rooting the right path. Nalvali Ghati, it means it's a rooting the right path. We are working for tribal people. Mostly 90% we are working for tribal welfare program and tribal childrens across the Tamil Nadu. We are taking care of tribal educations. Mostly, what is a literacy rate? We have 63 educational districts, 33 districts as a normal districts. If you say educational district, we have 64 educational districts. In that districts, what are the what is the low literacy rate districts? You know, so Viluppuram, Tiruvannamalai, Krishnagiri, and Dharmaburi. So those areas, if you see, the most of the tribal people are from irregular community. 12% of people are from Tamil Nadu is irregular. So we are taking care of irregular educations, irregular children's education. In meanwhile, in Annamalai Tiger Reserve Forest and Paramikulam Tiger Reserve Forest also, we are adopted 2-3 settlements. So we already having many projects, like how Logo Prakash explained those projects. Time to time depends upon the situation, geographical location, depends upon the volunteer availability and the needy. We'll create a project. Like in COVID-19, we made a feed the hunger project. Feed the hunger project recently we launched and it went successfully. Whenever we needed, we used to do those two projects, guys. But our constant project, as Logo Prakash said, it is a learning center. நல்வழிகாட்டி லேர்னிங் சென்டர், மலைவாழ் மக்கள் வெல்ஃபேர் ப்ரோக்ராம், மக்கள் கணினி, வழிகாட்டுதல் ப்ரோக்ராம். வழிகாட்டுதல் ப்ரோக்ராம் is for 1:1. 10th, after completing 10th, after completing +2, people, village peoples doesn't know what they need to do. So what we are thought, and we do a mentoring for them, 1:1. One mentor and one ward. So one mentor, one mentee. So those kind of things. And we used to conduct a student workshops as well. The- this is what about Nalvaligati. I don't want to touch more about Nalvaligati. I want to tell what is the reason behind my career and what I need to convey today. So this is my agenda today, guys. So for social responsibility, what is for social service? I like to know what is social service. I want to tell you why we need to do that. So what is the need for that? So what are the peoples we have it in our society? Yeah, guys, responsibility, inbuilt, it should come to us. Okay, I always used to say the responsibility will teach from the house, from our family members. Okay, so it's nothing following the traffic rules, the means it's kind of an etiquettes only. If you, in a clean word, if you want a simple layman language, if you see, it's kind of an etiquette only, guys. It's a best practice, we call it as a best practice. If you want to be a good human being, what are the terms you will quote? So those kind of quotes you need to follow, guys. So as I told earlier, what is why you need to do social service. What is the difference between social service and social responsibility? First, I'll go with what is social service, guys. uh, Social service, see, we are living in a society, right? So when our neighbor, our peer is suffering, do you think we'll stand like that? No. So as a human, why we are calling as a human? We have a humble mind, guys. So why we have sixth sense, right? So we are not animals. We are, even animals are helping each other. Why can't we? So what we are doing? So when we are seeing a needy people, automatically we need to bow and we need to help them, guys. So depend. As I told, types of people. There are four types of people, friends. First, if you see, for example, I'll tell as a story, two, three stories I thought to tell. The first one is about the people. See, the legacy story we used to have in a road, we have a, pothole or a drainage cover. It is open means the first person, first people if crossing, they won't bother about it. The second person, if he is crossing, he may think the pothole is open. What is the municipality is doing? What is the the government is doing? Why can't they keep it clean and green? So they scold some other somebody and they left off. And the third person, he may think, hey, some people, yeah, it's really bad. The pothole is open or a drainage cover is opened. So some other people will come and do these things. So why should we? And they'll cross. The fourth person, guys. So immediately he'll be in action. He'll cover that pothole or a drainage cover, and he just left off. So these four people only living in this world, guys. So I means, so I'm here to tell that we need to be in the fourth place. Okay, we should be as a fourth person. We need to action on it. We need to worry about our society. Why we need to worry about society? First, what is our society? Society, we are the society. Our people are society. So guys, there is a 10 row house. We heard about row house, or 10 houses in a road. When the fire catches in a first house, do you think the 10th house person no need to worry about it? So automatically the fire jump to second house, third house, fourth house. Finally, the 10th house also it's going to be burned. So before that itself, the 10th house person can come to the first house and he can help to stop the fire, right? This is what happening in this COVID-19, right? So until unless if we doesn't have affected, we are safe. No, it is not like that. Before that, we need to prevent us. We need to prevent our society. Then government is telling a lockdown. It is for our. It's our responsibility to follow the rules, guys. Yeah. So that is what I thought to say about the people, about the society, about the social service. And when it comes to the social responsibility, when whatever you are doing as a social service, think as a responsibility. Think as it's your duty. Service is means you think that I'm doing like an angel. I'll be an Anna Teresa. No. So if you are doing to your family member, if you are doing helping you to your mom and your father, do you think it's a service? No, right? So same way, your peer and your neighbor or a stranger, if you are doing a help, it is a responsibility, guys. It is not a service. So for a magic word, we are using a social service, but obviously it is going to be a social responsibility only. It is coming on our shoulders, guys. So okay. So as I told, so so for the this slides, I'm having a good video, guys. I'll show you that also. But in a theory wise, behaving ethically, it is calling as a social responsibility. For environment, if your environment, you are keeping your environment means good, it is a social responsibility. So in environment, in sense, I used to say, you are sitting. Assume that you are sitting in a chair. The chair has 4 legs. First one is yourself. Second thing is your family. Third is your society. Fourth is your work community or business or work, whatever you are earning for your stomach. So if any one of these not there, then you will be fell down. You need to think about you are sitting in a chair. There is a 4 legs. One is yourself. Second one is your family. Third one is the society. Fourth one is your work or your business, whatever you are aiming for. Okay. So the 4 things mutually you need to grow, guys. Then only you can sit properly in your life. So when I talking about society, you need to give back to your society whatever you get it from the society. Sir, I didn't get anything from the society. I'm a student. What I got it from society? For a kind information, whatever you are getting, electricity, road, whatever it is for, it is from the society. Someone made something for you. Who someone is driving for you, someone is taking care of your education, start paying for that. So do you think that the payment whichever you're paying is enough? Okay. When you are see the poor people, the poverty people in our country, do you think they are paying tax? No. Who are paying tax? Who gain money? They are paying tax. From that tax, our government is doing giving to poor people and poverty people, guys. So it is our responsibility. Hello.
Yeah,
Hello.
Mr. Arun, we are able to hear you. You can
Yeah.
continue. You can
Yeah.
continue.
Sorry, something happened and it got disconnected.
Yeah,
Yeah.
just for a minute, I think the participants wanted to see you, but we will show the complete picture of yours probably towards the end of the program. Or if you can switch on the video. You have any trouble, disturbance? Okay,
Build it,
fine.
sir. I built it.
Yeah, if this is okay, you
Sir,
can
no,
keep
sir.
continuing.
I guess automatically it is switched. Yeah, it's switched off, I guess.
Yeah,
Yeah. So sorry for the technical inconvenience, guys. So as an introduction for social responsibility in this this PPT. So I have mentioned points, guys. Just for go through that. By my point is very clear. It should it should start from your family. It should start from yourself first. See, in Tamil there is a saying called "Suya maatrathin moolam ulaga maatram." When you think to change, the world will change. Like when you think to change, everyone need to think, I need to change, I need to change. Then only the world will change. Otherwise, the world won't change, guys. So there is a dimension of social responsibility. There are four things like legal, ethical, economic, and the discrimination. So we used to categorize in a four field. When we are calling of a legal, following the law, civil or a criminal or whatever it is, which is that is why we have some body called government body is there. So they made a law, and we supposed to follow that. It is also one of the social responsibility. And ethically dimension, your what do you say, your behavior wherever you goes to the either in a company or a community where or in a institutions, you need to ethically, you need to be in a good position. Then only your stakeholders will connected correctly, guys. So if you are what I mean to say, if you somehow you are not in ethical, your chain will it is kind of a supply chain. So your chain will break, and you will come out from the society, guys. So economically also, the social responsibility speaks. These points are coming from a corporate social responsibility. Consumers always they'll think about the social responsibility, social care. Why? Because they need to make the money from that also to give the people, go to the poverty people, guys. So when I talk about this discrimination dimension, for big trusts, MNCs, they used to give donations, right? So for example, ITC is giving each, whenever you brought ITC book, notebooks or something, classmate notebooks, the 10% of the money it's going to Indian poverty people. So like that, the MNC big companies, they'll have their own CSR. The CSR is nothing but a corporate social responsibility. So here I have mentioned the pyramid of social responsibility. So when we're talking about economic, it is a profitable, guys. It's a base. We need to have profit, and others also need to have a profit. When you are following the law, it is good for society. Ethically, if you are good, your business and your company is going to grow. When the discrimination, I told, if you are good, your global corporate also, it will going to be global structure also, it's going to be good. So in this I pause on here, and I'm going to play the video. Are you able to see the video, guys? Basha, are you able to see the video?
Oh, not yet, not yet.
I started it. Can you help someone?
Basha,
Okay.
Basha?
Yeah, it's now okay.
Now it is starting. Now it is starting.
Yeah, okay.
नहीं होगा यार। सर आपके लिए उस पार कार का इंतजाम किया है सर। सर आइए सर। ये चल चल जाओ, बोला क्या बात करता है, क्या ऊपर से जाएगा, क्या ऊपर से जा जा।
गया मेन शो।
I hate this country. कुछ करो ना।
अब मैं वहां जाके क्या उखाड़ लूंगा?
कैसी जाने बूंदे आई, जाने कैसा दर्द लाई, सामने क्या है ये तेरे, क्यों रुका है तू बता दे हो। तुझको पार लेगा, कौन होगा वो मसीहा, वो जिसे तू ढूंढता है, वो ही है तू वही है। रास्ता है, तुझ में तेरा है सहारा, तू ही तुझको पार लेगा, तू ही है तेरा किनारा। तुझ में तेरा रास्ता है, तुझ में तेरा है सहारा, तू ही तुझको पार लेगा, तू ही है तेरा किनारा। जिसे ढूंढता है तू ही रे, तू ही रे, तू ही रे तेरा मसीहा हो।
Yeah, guys, or everyone saw the video, right? So it is that's what I thought to say here. So when if you see the video, means I'll explain again. Who were not able to see or not able to hear the what do you say? Not able to hear the voice. So when there is on this is called society. When you see the people, there are many people who are traveling in the road. There is a kind of a the tree. It is blocking the road. No one is bothered about. Even police is sleeping. Politician is he didn't bother and he is crossing and he's going, and the cloud is coming and blocking the light. So what happened? Suddenly the rain is coming. Everyone is doing the job, and they thought that some people will come and clear this mess. But if you see the small boy, even he may study first standard or second standard, he is going and he knows that he is not able to do anything, guys. But he is go and try to move that tree, which is blocking the road. What's happening? Everyone is wondering what is this student is doing? What is this guy is doing? It is not possible. Even he's no, and he's trying to move that tree. But if you see, when he is trying to do hardly, others are willing to come. Others are coming. Even a family man who is sitting inside the car, he is coming out and he's trying to help. Yeah, he's thinking that this is my responsibility. Even a student, even a student doing this, why can't I? And everyone is thinking, and they're coming helping to uh, the boy who is moving the tree, and they're clearing the mess, and the vehicles are moving, the rain is stopping, the cloud is clearing, we are getting a sunlight, and the boy, what he's by getting, the boy, they are giving a pat on back, that's it, right? So that is the thing, as a student, as a citizen of India, we need to do, guys. As a good human being, we need to do. So that is how we need to start our social service or a social responsibility. So we need to do, we need to start pulling, we need to raise your hands, guys. So as a student social responsibility, what you need to do, so it start from your home. I told you, when your father or a mother is or your sister or a brother, whoever in your family member, if they are behaving unethically, you need to tell, you need to behave ethically, you need to follow the rules. Very simple, guys. We need to follow the rules. We need to more care about which is harm to our society, which is harm to our globe. To For example, it's very simple. I give an example by switching a lights, whenever saving an energy, saving water, very, it's kind of a common sense. We used to have, say it's a common sense, guys. When it's going to a corporate social responsibility, corporate like an institution or a company, they try to help to the society. Why? Because they'll help to so if the society is good, then only the corporate can live. The corporate responsibility, in government, they are paying a tax, not their not they're stopping their limits. Apart from that, there is a culture called corporate responsibility or corporate social service. They used to say, when I'm working in an MNC, as I told, I'm working in Delhi EMC. There also, we used to have every month, we will go to some orphanage, or we'll adopt a village, we adopt a lake, so we'll clean that. We do our means we'll do our service, we'll do our whatever the responsibility we can able to do to the society. So we move back to individual responsibility is also it's a combined with ISR and CSR and this ISR guys. So it is nothing but whatever I told earlier. That is only. Before uh, so this is the takeaway, guys. So whatever the we talk about today. So what is social service? What is why we are? What is a society? Why we need to do a social service? Who are the peoples we are? What are the kind of peoples to whom we are going to do? How we are going to do? Just raise a hand. Just support who are doing. So if you think that I am a small guy, I'm not able to do. You can always can do it. So in a simple way, I can tell guys. So as a student, if you are not able to do, then think about helping others, like writing a blog about who are doing it. For example, there is a one activist socialist called Uma in Atagati. Okay, Uma Preman. So for her, I'm not able to do something to her from here. Okay, since I'm in lockdown, what I did, I wrote a blog about her. So it in the blog I mentioned about her about service. So what happened? Automatically, many people started helping her by giving their contribution to her. Okay, so I'm just showing the hands like this. That is why Nalvaligati guys. So I'm just pointing the writing the route path. Hey, he's doing. So why can't you go and help them? This is also one of kind of a social service, guys. So I'll tell one small story. When I was in Singapore in 2010, I guess I'm not wrong. That time from airport to my hotel, which is near to Indonesia border. So it is long drive. So when I'm going, the driver name called Wong. I really surprised. I asked how these roads are very clean and they are following the traffic rules. How it is possible, yeah? So I'm having some kind of a takeaway juice. So I thought, see, if I throw this, the Wong, the driver, he told, we people follow the rules here. It's everything is by law. But India, we are also following the rules, but it is not clean. And he laughed, and I thought to see if I want to throw this trash outside, no one will going to notice. What will happen? And he said, I'll complain to the police. Hey, come on, you are almost you are close. How why you are complaining about me? No, it is my responsibility as a citizen. When you some my peer or some stranger is doing something, it's my responsibility to take care of it. First, I'll stop you to no, don't put it. Still, you are putting the trash on the road. It is my road. It is my country. I need to care about it. That is where I learned social responsibility from a driver from a Singapore, guys. Okay, so okay, that is where this way I also tell you guys, we need to follow ourselves, as I told. If you change yourself, then only the world will change, right? So uh, then are you guys one of us? Then be a social responsible. Okay. uh, I'm having a pledge for today, guys. In Tamil, we used to say very good. I'll quote it in Tamil first. நல்வழிகாட்டியின் உறுதிமொழி. நான் குடும்பத்தின் ஒரு நல்ல உறுப்பினராக, சமூகத்தின் ஒரு நல்ல அங்கமாக, நாட்டின் ஒரு நல்ல குடிமகனாக, இந்த உலகில் ஒரு நல்ல மனிதனாக, இந்த சமூகத்திற்கு ஒரு நல்ல வழிகாட்டியாக திகழ்வேன் என்று உறுதிமொழி அளிக்கிறேன். So whenever we start a program in Nalvaligati, we used to say this pledge, guys. So in the same way, whoever attending this session, please take a pledge from today onwards. So even an hour or 15 minutes you spend it with us. When you are going out from this session webinar, you need to be a very good family member. You should be a very good for your community. The community is a society. So you need to be a good citizen for your country. So you want to be a good human being for this world. So when you become a good human being, you can able to guide others, guys. Okay, so my starting from now, what I'm trying to convey, guys, I always want you guys to uh, take first step. So help your family first. Help on your road. okay, roadside, who were begging and help. See, when yes, when Jackie Vasudev, heard about Jackie Vasudev, used to say, "Where is your house? This is my house. The world is my house." Is broad thinking. As a street, my house is in a street. Means the whole street is my house. The whole street is my family. The whole city is my family. This is my home. So you need to broad your mind and help others, and don't think that you are doing a big service by helping others. Think that it is our responsibility. So by this keynote, I'm completing my session. I'm giving over to Mr. Manikandan. Manikandan, over to you.
Yes, thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Lokesh, sir, actually, I didn't get my presentation.
Yeah, it
Yes,
came.
yes. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Yes, very wonderful morning. I'm very excited to talk with such crowd. Almost 800 students plus faculty members are there. So basically, myself Manikandan, I'm a training coordinator in Nalveli Kati NGO. And apart from this, I'm just working as an head of the training and placements in New Prince Group of Institution. It is in Chennai. So everyone has an theme and everyone has a story to get into some NGO. If you are asking to someone what is the story, what is the background details, why you are entered to NGO, everyone has a small story. So and as a basic human, this is my small story why I went into NGO. Basically, I'm from down south and Tamil Nadu, and where I did not have a proper transport facility, and moreover, I got a transport facility after my 5th standard. So that type of rural area. And as all completed their 10th standard, all completed their schoolings, I have completed my 10th standard, and I joined in a diploma college, in government aided diploma college in the stream of information technology, and I scored 95.86%. Yes. So though I have a good educational score, but the thing is that I don't find any, I don't have any outer world knowledge, even to fill an application form, or to have an to take some a list of engineering colleges, top engineering colleges, how to apply for a counseling, what are the plans for my career. I don't find anything. I don't have any idea about that. So but my academic score is very good. Actually, our greatest problem, what our greatest problem is that, our parents problem is that, always we will seek an advice to an educated person, some in village or some in town, our relations, or someone will be educated, and we will seek some ideas to them. What this is my son's score, what will he or she can do the next. Same as my father has some special quota, I have applied for an counseling in a government aided engineering college. It is in Erode Perundurai. I got 3 departments, dear friends. So computer science, EC, and triple I got 3 departments. After getting that counseling letter, I'm coming to that person. I'm saying that I got an seat in this government aided college. When suddenly he gave an idea, no, your government college has no facility. They don't have any the hostel facility, placement facility. He confused, and we and my parents believe him, and we supposed to planned not to join that government aided college. So after his suggestion, suggestion, we joined in self-financing colleges, where we have to pay almost 1.24 lakh per annum, as we are from the farmer background. My parent is getting struggle to pay the fees. Okay, later some years gone. What happened is that after that I just came to know that that government aided college which I have missed, is a very good college, and it is a top ranking in Anna University, some top 20 ranking in Anna University. So after getting that information, I was shocked, and see, it is a very good opportunity. I have missed that opportunity. I have felt, and the fees also. I'm going in some quota. The fees also very less. So I felt guilty. The thing what happened is that always we will, after failure, the people will come and they will say, what I'm there to guide you, why didn't you ask me? Some questions will be raised. I got lot of answers, lot of advice. Yes, when I need some informations, when I seek some advice, I don't get any information from anybody. After after I'm getting failure, I'm getting lot of ideas, lots of advice from others. So when I'm studying my engineering third year, I'm just make an affirmations. Okay, all is well. At least from now, I should change myself. I should give an information to any one of the students who is suffering like this, like me in my village or my near village. At least I should give some information about that. While studying engineering final year, vacation holidays, all my friends will go to their native. They will go for they are doing some project work. So what I will do is that I will go to my village and I will take a list of schools, Tamil medium government schools I will take, and I will approach the schools directly. Sir, this is myself, and I am very much interested to take some technical classes. I will take C++ programming, which is in the 12th subject, and also I will take some for primary schools students. I just learned some brain exercise which is in the YouTube, and I practice that, and I just visited government schools and I seek permission. So I am just there to guide you, sir. Shall I take classes? Shall I? So some principals they are accepted that, and while studying my engineering, I started this training as an as it's not some services. It's just like some happiness. Taking classes to the students who are in the internal rural areas, what I learn is that if suppose some happiness, if they learned something newly, they come and they will approach, Anna, it is very good now. I think the topic is very tough. I think the C++ is very tough, but now it is very easy now. So that thing motivate me, and that feel, that happiness motivate me to do some social activities. So in that I got a small problem when I approaching individually to some education sectors. I'm not getting proper permission, because I'm an individual. They doesn't know who is money and who is what he is doing. So I'm just looking for some NGOs to tie up to do some activities. I completed my engineering. I don't go. I'm not. I don't wish to enter into IT field. I just moved to the educational field. So if I'm going to educational field, it will be matching to my passion. So suddenly I met Mr. Arun Balaji, who is taking care of Nalveli Kati, and they are very well taking care of rural area students apart their education, giving some education like that. They are doing so. And by this, when the Nalveli Kati, when we are having a tie-up with Nalveli Kati, the thing is that they are dealing with the students, and they are dealing with the education. Education is nothing but it is the only thing that if we are giving a right education, we can change any person's life. We can change any person's futures. That is a very important thing Nalveli Kati is doing. So what the Nalveli Kati, our trust, our NGO, what we are doing is that we are just training the students, rural area students, and we are giving them counseling. We are giving a simple advice that is very important to them to get into an sector. So the thing is that then I approached with Nalveli Kati, and we made some classes, and we are giving some training programs. And it is very much we are quite happy in that. And also Nalveli Katti focusing feed the hunger. It is the most important thing, because we are all running for money, because for only food. We are all running because of money, because of food we are running. So the thing, our main motto, to educate, not only to educate the younger students, but also our motto is to motivate them to do some social activities. Social activities, nothing but friends, giving some money, giving some food. It's also social activities. But the thing is that when some 4th standard or 5th standard or 10th standard boy, we are saying that at least give one time food for needy people, if they are giving that internal happiness after getting some blessing from that needy people, that internal happy, if they felt that internal happiness, no one will never stop them. They will do their works. If we have birthday party, he will go for at least he will give some food. If we are having some marriage parties, we are food. So from Nalveli Katti, as from our students, after completing 12th standard, after completing their engineering graduates, many of the students are following us, and they will post, they will provide food for the needy peoples, and they will take and snap and will send to our WhatsApp and Facebook group. After seeing that, we are so much of we are so happy. And almost maximum of students are there in the group. The thing is that the social activity is not like if personally saying, I don't have huge money to donate, right? I don't have many huge money to donate, and I don't have huge money to give to the needy peoples. But only one tool I have is that I have my education. So I just took that tool, and by this education, I'm just giving some advice to the students. I'm just giving the training to the students. At least as your students, at least one student for 1 year, at least 1 year, you just pick only one student, give some idea, give some suggestions, give some training, at least to help them to fill an application form in an online for their career, or help them to fill an application form there for their education, to given good feedback about various colleges. So at least one students you just pick, and you just transform them. It will create a lot of changes in that. So the thing is that social work is nothing but in my point of view, the social work is nothing but we should have a lot of we should give a lot of money, we should give a lot of food. That is not a problem. The thing is that whatever we are having, we should give that to the people. We are student, so we have an education. What we are going to do, by that education, we have to educate at least one student in a year, at least one student in a year, in a village, in your town, in your area, any friends, at least one. It will change them. It will change them. It is also a good type of social work. Please do it. Please do it. Many people, many people, many students, rural area students, as 2020, we are going for 2020. We are Android is came, internet facility came, 4G, 3G, 5G, all are in the process. But even now in 2020, lakhs and lakhs of rural area students are struggling, and they need some guidance to improve their education, to improve their quality of life. Just 1 year, guide one people, enter into social work. You can be a life changer in anyone's life. You can be a life changer in anyone's life. Yes, I hope in this webinar. So be a good part of social work. At least educate one. We can achieve that. I hope. And we, as Nalveli Katti, we are doing this to the rural area students, and we are getting tremendous feedback from them, because the thing is that we have a father, we have a mother, we have a money, So we can easily communicate with the people. We can lots of students are studying how they can get an idea. We are there to guide you. That is Nalveli Katti. Yes. So
Thank you, Mani. So
Yeah.
we are running out to. We are sorry to stop you. We are running out of the time. We have another 10 minutes only.
sure.
Thank you very much, Mr. Arun Balaji and Mr. Manigandan. Wonderful presentation. Basha, can you show their photographs? I mean, their video on the screen, a complete screen, so that all the participants can see them, and give a big round of applause to them. I think you have to show them.
They need to turn on their camera, sir, so that I
Yeah,
can.
Mr. Manigandan and Arun Balaji. Please turn on your camera and
Yeah, sure, sir, sure. So it is not allowing me to turn on my camera, but
Manigandan, sir, just go backside, sir, so that people can see.
dear participants, Mr. Manigandan, can you again come on the video, please? Can you, dear participant, this is Manigandan, the second speaker. He was speaking why he came to social service, and definitely fantastic, Mr. Manigandan. I am sure all the virtual audience as of now more than 1,000 plus is there, and I am seeing a number there. They will all appreciate your effort. The way you explained social service was so good. Just go to a village, look for the school children, teach them something. Teach them exactly same thing we are also doing from our college under Unnat Bharat Abhiyan program. So now can we show Mr. Arun Balaji, Nalveli Katti, founder, Basha? Then we go with the questions. Mr.
Arun,
Arun
sir,
Balaji,
turn on
can
your-
you switch on your camera?
yeah,
You have any
Basha, it is not allowing me. It says my connection is low. Another couple of minutes.
Yeah,
it
no
will
problem.
come. Sir,
No
you can
problem.
start the Q&A.
Okay. So, Mr. Arun, I think the first question is from your ex-boss.
Oh, okay.
Mr.
Kannan, sir.
I think Mr. Kannan Narasimhan.
Oh, okay,
You-
okay. I guessed actually.
You do a very noble service for upliftment of tribals. Hats off to you. I think normally this is a sentence he uses. Hats off to you. My question is, what is the kind of support you get from government? Many times. Oh, okay, audience, I think now you are seeing Mr. Arun Balaji. Give a big round of applause to Arun Balaji before we start the question and answer session. Very good. And he started
Thank you,
social
thank you.
service at the age of 23, and I think he is doing for more than a decade. Congratulations. And so the question goes like this. What is the kind of support you get from government bodies? Sometimes political interference becomes a stumbling block for social service, and they expect you to be done under their banner. What is your experience in this regard? I think more experienced person than us. Yes, go ahead.
Yeah, so, thanks. First, I'm very happy to get a first question from Kannan sir. So we worked, Kannan sir and myself, we worked together in Satyam, Mahendra Satyam. Now it is converted as Tech Mahendra. He's a VP there. I'm a engineer, principal engineer. I reported to Uday Kumar. Uday Kumar, he reported to Kannan. So, sir, the answer is, first of all, we are not getting any support from government. That is why it's NGO, non-governmental organization. So we are helping to government. As Logoprahasi quoted, Makkal Kanini we started in 2007. Those times we predicted that laptops are going to be as a mobile. So government itself, they're going to be distribute a laptop. So why can't we use? We can teach the means basic things about the computer using a panchayat computer. In panchayat we used to have a computer, right? We given the project, government adopted that project in 2011. 2011 government adopted the project called Makkal Kanini. Still now governments are taking help from NGOs. NGOs are not getting maybe some NGOs are getting a grant from the government. We are not getting. Second thing, sir, uh, as you said, political interferences are there. So political party, when you are going and serving to a village, first thing what you need to know, you need to catch the president. Okay, you need to catch the president and tell that, sir, we came here to serve through you. Okay, what we used to do, no, so we'll put some magical words. Because of you, we are doing it. Because of some, you need to give a front banner to them. So our thing is, we need to do a service. Either it is via means that particular party name or our name. They used to say we'll put a what is a MOU, or in our terms we used to say MOU, or kind of an tie up, right? So likewise, sir, we are here. We are going to conduct a blood camp. Yeah, you are a chief guest. You need to open that blood camp under your coordination. We are doing for our village people. So when you are make that political people as a chief guest, or you make them in a front, they may happy and they allow to do a service. So in that way we are doing it. Even people knows that who is doing a service, but a namesake we are putting their name. Okay, end of the day, our நம்ம நோக்கம் என்னவா இருக்கணும்னா சர்வீஸ் வந்து போய் சேரணும் மக்கள்கிட்ட. ஸோ அதுதான் நோக்கமா இருக்கணும். உண்மை many interface will come. Even government, when we are giving a feed to hunger, collector said that you are not supposed to make a food without permission. ஸோ இந்த மாதிரி இந்த படத்துல எல்லாம் சொல்ற மாதிரி நல்லது செய்யறதுக்கு நிறைய பேர் தடை செய்யத்தான் செய்வாங்க. ஸோ அதையும் மீறி நம்ம செஞ்சுதான் ஆகணும். அவங்கள முன்னிறுத்தும் போது they can allow. Second question, sir.
Yes, sir. This is from Lakshmi Prabha. What type of social work you suggest for faculty members in college?
Yeah. So faculty members always you should be, as Manikandan said, you should be a mentor for your mentees, your wards. Okay, that is already you are doing a service. As you used to say, teaching is it is kind of a ladder. If you see, people will means எல்லாரும் வந்து அந்த ஏணிப்படியில மேல போவாங்க. You are a step for that ladder. Okay, you are already doing a service. If apart from that, if you want to do a mentor, be a inspiration to a people, be a inspiration to a student. Okay, எல்லாரோட வாழ்க்கையிலயும் வந்து யாரையும் ஒரு டீச்சர் வந்து இன்ஸ்பயர் பண்ணிருப்பாங்க. Don't want to be a role model, you want to be an inspiration. When sir told about Kannan sir, என்னோட முடியெல்லாம் வந்து அப்படியே புல்லரிச்சிருச்சு. ஏன்னா I know about his recently also, கருப்புசாமி சார் yesterday he told டி நகரை சுத்தி இருக்கக்கூடிய மக்களுக்கு வந்து உணவு கொண்டு போய் கொடுத்தாரு அப்படின்னு சொல்லி. He is not supposed to do that. அவருக்கு வந்து இது தேவை கிடையாது பண்ணணும் அப்படிங்கிறது. He took an opportunity and he did it like that. அவர் வந்து பாராட்டணும் பண்ணணும்னு எதிர்பார்க்கல. அதே மாதிரி ஃபேக்கல்டி மெம்பர்ஸும் வந்து நீங்க பண்ணக்கூடிய ஒரே வேலை என்ன அப்படின்னா, யூ நீட் டு இன்ஸ்பயர் த ஸ்டூடெண்ட். அதாவது வந்து அவன் வந்து எங்களுக்கு, நான் இன்னைக்கு வரைக்கும் சொல்லிருப்பேன், எங்க எஸ்கேன்னு சொல்லிட்டு நான் படிக்கும்போது வாத்தியார் இருந்தார். அவர் என்ன சொல்லுவார் தெரியுமா அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு இன்னைக்கு வரைக்கும் என் குழந்தைக்கு சொல்லிட்டு இருப்பேன். அந்த எஸ்கேன்னு செத்து போயிட்டாரு. ஆனா அவர் சொல்லி போன வார்த்தையும் அவர் வாழ்ந்து காமிச்ச வாழ்க்கையும் இன்னைக்கு வரைக்கும் என் கூட டிராவல் பண்ணிக்கிட்டே இருக்கு. So like that, as a faculty member, you should inspire a person and you need to mentor them.
Next question is from Jayasheela. Can you please explain social responsibility in the present context of epidemic, as we are not able to go out and do any service? So under lockdown condition, what is your suggestion?
So, as I told, we need to obey the rule. So in lockdown condition, if you are not going outside the house, that is also it's a social responsibility. Second thing, as I told, if you are not able to do anything to your neighbor or needy people, you can support whoever doing the service. So, like as I give an example, you can write a blog for them. You can in a WhatsApp, you can even a good morning message for many forward message we are sending. We can promote other NGOs who are doing a service in this COVID-19. We can get a contribution from others, and you can give it to that NGO. So like that, we can do many things inside the house. Right.
Next
Okay.
question is from Dr. T.H. Sukrita. What is the procedure to join Nalvali Kati, your trust or foundation? How she can join your trust?
Yeah, thanks for that. I already pasted a link, Nalvali Gati. If you Google it in Nalvali Gati, you'll get a website. I already pinged in a chat, nalv.in. nalv.in. That is a website name. If you go there, you can register yourself. There will be a contact number. You can call us. You can register. We'll call back to you, and you can mention how able to you can support. There is options also as a volunteer, as a contributor, even a sponsor or a supporter. In which way you can able to support Nalvali Gati. So even as students, they are not able to give a contribution as sponsor. They can support as a supporter or as a volunteer. See, guys, right now we need a time. So we need to spend a time with people. We don't need a money. I can make a money. I can get a money. I'm earning whatever my என்னோட வயதுக்கு மீறிய வருமானம் வருது. So அதனால I can manage that. I need a time. I need a time from you. That's it.
Okay, I think the next question probably Mr. Manikandan is in college now. He can answer. He says, I am a school student. I want to contribute to social service. How can I do that? Same question is asked by a college student also. You can answer, then we will go with Mr. Manikandan also.
Yeah, as I told, as a student, sir, so they can. Manikandan also quoted. I don't want to let Manikandan gives because Manikandan told that money. You can answer for
Manikandan,
that.
you are online.
Yes, sir. He is in online.
Yeah, he can switch on his video. Give a motivational speech for a minute to school students and college students.
Yes,
And, yeah, you can switch on your video.
yes. I just having some problem to mute the video. Can you hear me, sir?
Yeah, we are able to hear.
Yes. Yeah, simple solution for the college students. Simple answer needed for the college students. The thing is that you people, as I said earlier, lots and lots of people are waiting for suggestions. They are just waiting for simple suggestions. They're just waiting for simple training. They doesn't know how to. We are seeing lots of students with extraordinary talents, but same like opposite, we are having lots of students who doesn't know anything, but they are having good education background with score. We are having lots of students. Just motivate anyone, just motivate any students, just given advice, just given application form. Even one of our volunteers, Nalvali Kati, what he said that, sir, I just took my friend to the bank. I took my friend and his father to the bank. I just applied for the bank loan, education loan. They doesn't know to fill in even just basics of form. I just step out for 3 days with them, and now I, as a student, I got an education loan for them. That is a greatest success. The success is we don't have any scale to measure the success. It's also a great success. The success giving in simple, proper advice and simple guidance. Okay. If you are studying for final year student, if someone is coming and asking or someone is seeking what to do for your career, what to do for your future college, you just help them. So you just give some basics websites. Oh, these are the websites. You can Google it. You can take it. Top 10 colleges, top 20 colleges. You can apply like this. You can apply for a counseling. So many people, I'm just saying majority of students, they are using WhatsApp, right? They are using online. They are having all the issues, all the things. But when coming to education, they are lagging. They don't have any proper communication with some sectors. So as an college students, you can do this. from school students. If you are school students, first thing, if you need to enroll you into a social work, first my personal, as a brother, my personal advice, just to give for your birthday, just give 10 foods to the needy peoples. Get their blushes. It will change you a good person in your life. Their smile, their blessing, it will change you. Then every birthday, after earning, you will do a social worker. You will suggest the people to do, Amma, so today is your wedding day, sir, give some 10 foods. Today is your birthday, give some 10 foods. After that, they will change automatically. So the thing is that we should look on around us. What are the simple things we can provide? We should choose that and give to the needy people what they need. That's the simple answer. What we can do, sir.
Thank you very much, Mr. Manikandan. On behalf of all the participants of this webinar and Sri Ishwar College of Engineering, a big thanks to Mr. Arun Balaji and Mr. Manikandan, and you are well-wisher of Sri Ishwar College of Engineering. You are welcome. And the next program, when we do a physical program, definitely we will invite you, and then you can give all your suggestions to our Unnat Bharat Abhiyan activities. Dear participants,
sir, Karupuswamy sir, one sec, sir. Two things I forgot to tell you.
Go ahead,
sorry, I'll take another 1 minute. So, everyone who joined in this webinar, the main social responsibility is you need to vote, guys. You need to vote for your country. Vote போடுங்க. Okay, that is a main thing, basic thing. அது மட்டும் தான் பண்ணணும். அது பண்றது மூலமா தான் we'll get a good leader. Okay. Second thing, for colleges like Ishwar College, there are many. I'm seeing that there are many educationists and institutionists have joined. Even for our Kannan sir, our Karupuswamy sir. My suggestion is, we have EVS and professional ethics subjects in engineering. There are many subjects, kind of so soft skills or something, right? So when we talk about that, why can't we ask the students to go out and see, இங்க பாருங்கப்பா, பக்கத்துல பக்கத்து ஏரி இருக்கு, நீங்க அந்த ஏரியை ஒரு 4 வருஷத்துல நீங்க தூர்வாரினீங்கன்னா உங்களுக்கு ஃபுல் மார்க் கிடைக்கும். ஓகே, இவி சப்ஜெக்ட்ல எல்லாம் பாத்தீங்கன்னா என்விரான்மெண்ட் சயின்ஸ்ல அவன் என்ன எழுதுறான்னு அவனுக்கு தெரியாது, நம்ம திருத்ததும் ஜஸ்ட் லைக் தட் அப்படி பண்ணிடுவோம் மார்க்குக்காக. பட் ஈவன் அவர் காலேஜ் இஸ் an autonomous college. I know that you are doing a good service adopting villages, but we need to give a project for students saying that நீ என்ன பண்ணணும்னாப்பா, இந்த அனாதாசிரமத்துக்கு போய் அங்க என்ன டிஃபிகல்டிஸ் இருக்கு, உன்னால என்ன அந்த அனாதாசிரமத்துக்கு பண்ண முடியும், நீ போய் பார்த்துட்டு வா. You no need to do a social service. Take a survey and come back and write about it. ஓகேங்களா? நான் படிச்ச இன்ஜினியரிங் காலேஜஸ், நான் நிறைய காலேஜஸ்க்கு போறதுல அங்க தமிழ் மன்றம் எல்லாம் இருக்கு. ஈவன் they have a clubs for Tamil and all. Okay, so there are many things in engineer ஒரு focused ஒரு கடிவாளம் கட்டின மாதிரி ஒரு professional, it's a professional studies by the way, ஒரு professionalaவே இல்லாம aside some soft skills and social responsibilities as a institution, as a HOD, நீங்க இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு staff faculty நீங்க suggest பண்ணலாம் உங்க instituteக்கு. So this is what 2 points I missed, I thought to say.
Oh, thank you very much, Mr. Arun Balaji. You are welcome. You are always welcome. Dear participants, with this we are coming to the close of the webinar.
Basa?
Yes, sir. You want to say something? Tomorrow on the same, yes, tomorrow on the same theme. You can do it. Are you ready? On this theme, we have 2 speakers who will speak on research.
Hello, Bacha.
And the topic is, you can do research. You can be a good researcher. When we say research, not necessarily only for faculty, it's for students also. So we have 2 webinars tomorrow on the same theme. You can do research, and I wish all of you join these webinars tomorrow, and the details will be sent to you. You can fill up the feedback form, and Basha, it is over to you. Basha?
He's showing his website details, sir.
Okay, so, go ahead. Website. Those who are interested can note down the website of Nalvali Kati. You can see in the screen the website
Hello.
Yeah, we are able to see
Yes,
your website.
Garupasamy sir lost the connection.
Those who want to see the website, you are able to hear me, Mr. Arun?
இங்கேதான் அன்பு கிடைத்தது, பண்பு கிடைத்தது, நட்பு கிடைத்தது, கனவு கிடைத்தது நம் ஈஸ்வர் கல்லூரி. இங்கேதான் தெளிவு கிடைத்தது, அறிவு கிடைத்தது, அறமும் கிடைத்தது, அனைத்தும் கிடைத்தது நம் ஈஸ்வர் கல்லூரி. பசுமை வண்ணம் கொண்ட சூழலிலே மயில்கள் கொண்ட எம் கல்லூரியே, ஒற்றுமைக்கும் தேசிய கொடியும் இங்கே நம் ஈஸ்வர் கல்லூரியே. அக்கறை கொண்ட நிர்வாகம் அது எங்கள் உத்வேகம், ஆசிரியர்கள் எல்லோரும் வெற்றிகளின் அஸ்திவாரம். ஆதவன் இல்லாமல் விடியல் ஏது, பாதைகள் இல்லாமல் பயணம் ஏது, கேள்விகள் இல்லாமல் விடைகள் ஏது, ஈஸ்வர் கல்லூரி இல்லாமல் இன்பம் ஏது. கம்யூனிட்டி சென்டர், ஓப்பனர் தியேட்டர், அங்கே உலகம் கற்றுக்கொள்வோமே. நம் காலேஜின் பிளேஸ்மெண்ட் அது என்றும் சூப்பர், அங்கே வேலையும் பெற்றுக்கொள்வோமே. 4 ஆண்டுகளே என்றாலும் ஒரு குடும்பம் போல வாழ்ந்திடுவோம். 40 ஆண்டுகள் கடந்த பின்னும் நம் கல்லூரி நாட்களை போற்றிடுவோம். இந்த நிலையை நாங்கள் அடைந்தாலும், வாழ்வில் உயர பறந்தாலும், மறவோம் மறவோம் ஒரு நாளும் நாங்கள் ஈஸ்வரில் பயின்ற நாட்களை. ஈஸ்வர் கல்லூரி வாழ்க்கை கற்று தந்த பாடம், காலம் எல்லாம் கண்ணில் நிழல்